Hey guys, Marcus Carter from GNT Financial. Thanks for joining us today. I'm here to talk to you about servicing and what happens to your investment or to the loan after the loan's funded. So the funding process takes place when you fund a transaction and you fund a trust deed. That money typically goes right into escrow or title. The collateralized deed gets recorded and then money gets dispersed. So what happens then? So what GNT does is we set the loan up and we board the loan with a local servicing company that specializes in servicing privately funded trust deeds. And that's really important because they know the ins and outs and they follow all the servicing laws and they make sure that the loan is serviced in a proper fashion, legally and done it very professionally. So what they will do on a monthly basis is as those payments become due, they will collect the payments from the borrower. They will board those payments, track it all, and then forward the money directly to you, the investor. And that is how you receive income on these trust deeds. The money will either be sent to you in the form of a check or it can be sent to you via an ACH, which is basically just a bank wire. And they put that money directly into your bank account. So the money will show up, you don't have to do a thing. That's why we call it mailbox money, because it just shows up in your account. The servicing company will also handle any issues. They're really the buffer between you and the borrower. And they'll handle any phone calls, they handle any complaints or problems or issues that the borrower may be having. They'll deal with any late payments should the borrower make any late payments. And they'll handle all of the payoffs when the loan becomes due and payable, when the borrower is ready to pay off that loan. In addition, if the borrower happens to not make payments in a rare occasion, and they have to turn that loan and record a default on that loan, they have the ability to take that loan all the way through a foreclosure process. They do all the posting, they do all the notifications, and they can take it all the way to what's called a trust deed sale. And at that point, if a property sells at auction, you as the investor would get paid off. If it doesn't sell at auction, then the servicing company would transfer that property to you in the form of a trustee's deed. And that is ultimately you taking possession of that property and then ultimately enforcing that deed of trust and becoming the ultimate owner of that property in a rare instance. So servicing is super important. It's important to have the right company doing that job. And we've relied upon a local servicing company very heavily over the last 20 years, and they do a great job. So if you have more questions, thanks for joining us today and talking a little bit about servicing. But if you have more questions about that, or you want to get involved in investing in trust deeds, call us at the number below. We'd love to help you answer any questions you have. And again, thanks for joining us today on this little video. Make it a great day.